Today is the 10th of August 2021. We have Vellamonkatu force-taking speed. We will take just one example because it was replaced. Originally built in 1968, but replaced in 2017 with Kone design with 4 floors. And this was completely unnecessary. There's only 4 floors here. It takes 5 person workrooms, and the serial number is 431104445 and will be inspected this year, 2021. And completely unnecessary.
Yeah.
As it probably was never used so much.
Yes.
Maybe there was a mesh layer in here originally.
Mm.
Just like in building 2.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it was because this was completely replaced.
Yeah.
And if it was gone, it would have been just modernized maybe.
Yeah.
But this is completely unnecessary.
Yes.
But it's faster, a bit faster.
Yeah. Expected like Vines and maintained by Kone.
Still, if it was machine originally, it was always quite well fast enough.
That's